Okay, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are still gonna continue practicing. Gonna practice more about this IV late infusion. And today I have four problems to solve. One, two, three, four. So this kind of problems here they are very easy to go by. But I want you to note one of the things. Always pay attention to your units. They want your answers to be nearest 10th. In case you get decimal places, they want you to round off to the nearest 10th, basically one decimal place. Um, they want your answers to be in hours and in milliliters. So let's start from number one. Number one says 1 liter of this solution to diffuse in 8 hours. They want you to give this in 8 hours, not one thing. Here they have given us liters. What do? We change liters into milliliters because our answers would be in milliliters. So these are some units you have to know actually before even we do this math. Basically, to change liters to ml, we know 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So what about 1 liter is the same thing. So means our volume is equal to 1,000 ml. Our time here is equal 8 hours. They're asking us to find the rate of infusion of this volume. Basically, the formula of rate is equal to volume over time. And the time here is given in hours. If it was asking minutes, we can change, but now we leave it as it is. So basically, our answer is 1,000 divided by 8 hours, and these are ml. Your answer will be what? 1,000 divided by 8. You can use your calculator actually. It's not prohibited. Just plug in the numbers, divide by, and the answer will be 125 ml per hour. Always put your units, and that's it. There's nothing much to do. Always, all you need to remember is how to change liters into milliliters, and that's the formula. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Number two, we had been given the same units, milliliters and hours, same concept. We just write rate is equal to volume over time. Our volume is 500 milliliters divided by 4 hours. When you plug in your computer, to here 1, to here 2, to here 2, 1, 250. 2 ones to your 1, 2, 25. The same answer, 125 milliliters per hour. If you don't know this, just use your calculator. Just put the number in, 500 divided by 4. You have the answer automatically. Saves time very fast. If you are doing a test, you don't need to waste your time. Number 3, they have given us 0.45% of sodium chloride, but in this 1,000 milliliters to infuse over 6 hours. Don't worry about this percentage. What they're telling you is the percentage of sodium chloride in this volume is 0.45. So this number here, forget about it. All you do, go ahead and say our rate is equal volume over time, whereby your volume is 1,000 milliliters divided by 6 hours. That means what? It's 1,000 divided by 6. Just plug in the computer. Actually, this one give us decimal places. It's going to be a whole number. The answer going to be 166.666667. So at this point, they want us to round our answer to nearest tenth. That means what? You count. You come here. You start the decimal place. You count. These are tenths, hundreds, thousands. So to round off to tenths, basically they want to make it into one decimal place. So start at the hundreds. If it's more than 5, it will decrease our number here. If this number is less than 5, there's no change to this number. So basically our answers will be 166.6 will now be 7 because the number next to it is above 5. And the answer will be ml per hour. 166.7 meters per hour, and that's it. But if you don't know how to round off numbers to the tens, I'll do a video on that next time. Don't worry about it. But the calculator will be able to give you this and round off, you get this answer. The last question, very easy. It says 250 milliliters of this liquid or solution over 120 minutes. Look, there's a trick here. They have given us minutes instead of hours, and the answer should be in hours. So change this into hours. Basically say 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So what about 120 minutes? That means what? 120 divided by 60. That means you have 2 hours. And this is our time. Now we can go ahead and solve our math. Basically go ahead and say let volume over time, which is, we have our volume, which is 250 milliliters, divided by now our time, which is 2 hours. Our answer will be what? This 125. Actually, the answer is 125 milliliters per hour. So I hope you guys, you are now conversant about this kind of math, and it's very crucial. Use your calculator, pay attention to conversions in terms of units, liters to milliliters, minutes to hours, because you have to pay attention to what they tell you in the heading. Like your answers must be in milliliters, in hours. Simple as that. If you have any question, please put in the comment below. Share, follow my YouTube channel, subscribe. And guys, if you have any problem in terms of math, in nothing, just post the question in my comment below, and I'll be able to answer. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.